all Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Aries, tap in, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go right here and you have to click until you find that story. And here you will find also other viral stories, so you can check these too if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link if you're not able in the Instagram app. Okay, so now let's go to our upload and choose a background photo for our story. So I will go with this photo right here with me. You can make it bigger or smaller and place your sticker where you want. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah, now let me show you from where you can get that link. So from my page, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and you have to click until you find this story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube video right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.